Looking for a durable, flexible and easy to install energy chain? Our new plastic energy chain delivers maximum performance and adaptability for any application. Stay tuned to see what makes this a perfect solution for your needs. It's our new modular energy chain made of fiber reinforced plastic designed for gliding and self-supporting applications with high loads. The special features are robust design with interlocking elements, sturdy bolt hole connection and noise damping stops for smooth operation. It allows easy opening and removal even in a guide channel, making installation faster and more user-friendly. A new interior design with movable partitions and snap-in shelves ensures abrasion-resistant and organized cable routing. Customization options are flexible mounting from different angles and integrated C-rails for secure strain relief. The range will expand to meet the customer needs.